Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add promo code to Walmart. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Walmart account. Of course, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. Launch in a browser of your choice. At the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type walmart.com and it's going to take you to this website. Top right corner, you're going to find sign in account. Click on that and follow through the processes to create your account. And once that's done, then we can now head into today's task, which is how to add promo code on Wlamart. So from here, we're going to have to select the product that we want to chase. Let's say we go with this. Right corner, you can see add to cart is for $10. Awesome. So click on that. Okay. So the next thing that I have to do is to head over to my cart to see my product. So top right corner, that's it. Scroll the way down to see the product that I added, which is this. So I'm removing all of these items so that the previous items, I just like to remove, so I don't get to like purchase them at the same time. It's just going to be one. So from here, next thing is continue to check out. Now, on a normal circumstance, once you have created your account, it's not supposed to take you to this page. Okay, so once you have created your account already and you click on continue to check out, it's going to take you right head on into the checkout page. So the first page is to select your date for delivery, when you want it to be delivered. And then the next thing is the checkout page. That's the payment page itself, the checkout page itself. So right in the checkout page, scroll the way down, you're going to find promo code. So right there, select promo code. So once you click on the promo code, then you'll be asked to enter the promo code. All right, if you have any promo code. If you don't have any promo code, here's how you can get it. Go ahead and open the new tab and then type discount rate. So this is it. Discount reactor. So that's discount reactor, where you find new coupons and promo codes. So open that up and then sign in. So once you sign in, all right, and where you have discounts in the search bar, just type Walmart, and when you find Walmarts, so this is it. All right, so click on show coupon, and once you click on show coupon, I think so this is it now. So this is the coupon. You can click on copy, and once you've copied that, head over to no, so here's where we're supposed to be. All right, that's here. So in the checkout page, so right there in the checkout page, we're supposed to be in the checkout page, remember. So once you're in the checkout page, go ahead and check promo code. So in the promo code where you copied, so remember we copied this promo, right? You can now head over to promo code, the box you find next to promo code, and then enter. Just paste the code in there, and once you paste the code in there, then you can just continue with the payment. And once you do that, you'll see that the price will be ridiculously deducted for you based on the promo code that you have. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.